Hello friends, I am Rajiv from Rashtik. Today we will know what is processor in computer or laptop. The processor, also known as the central processing unit CPU, in the primary component in a computer that perform most of the processing and calculation need to run software and executive tasks. It is often referred to as the brain of the computer because it handles all the instruction and operation necessary for the computer function. The processor is responsible for the execute instruction from the computer memory and processing data to perform the various tasks, such as running application, managing system resource, handling input-output operation, and much more. It performs those operations by using a combination of the logic gate, arithmetic unit, and central unit, all integrated into the single chip. The speed and performance of the processor are measured by the clock speed, which is typically expressed in the gigahertz. Higher clock speed generally means faster processing, but other factors like the number of core and thread also play a critical role in determining overall performance. Modern processors are designed to handle multiple tasks similarly through the use of multiple core and thread. A core is independent processing unit capable for executive instruction, and a thread a sequence of the instruction that can be processed by a core. Multi-core processor can perform parallel processing, which can significantly enhance performance for multitasking and running the complex application. Processor come in various architecture and families, which manufacturers like Intel and AMD being among the most well known. Each processor family may have different feature, capability, and targeted use cases, allowing users to choose processor the best suit their specific computing needs. For instance, some processors are optimized for gaming, while others are designed for high performance computing or energy efficiency in laptop and other portable devices.